Okay, so here is the entrance. So you've got tile flooring, cute little entryway, hold on, let me try to get that, little closet. So the front door is behind me. You've got your living area, your master is back there, and you've got another bedroom bathroom here, laundry, and your kitchen. I can't find the light in here. There's got to be another light. Well, I guess there's not, but so super cute. And this is for Micah. Oh, that's soft close. Yep, they're soft close. And that's running, so I can't open that, but it does not smell. And that doesn't smell either. I will say that here, let me kind of go like this here. So, tons of cabinets. Lots of workspace, all the good stuff. It does have a tiny bit of an animal smell in here. So I would just write it into the contract that it has to be deep cleaned, including the carpets. They've got 2 cats and then she's walking the dogs, but this is the one that does not convey. So that one does, and this one does not. But it's a big space. So let's go over here. Here's your first bedroom. So it's a good size. And then it's got a little, oops. Hold on. Sorry. Well, it was running. There's a fan there, just so you can see it. And it was going pretty good. And it's missing one light, so it could be even brighter in here. Good sized closet. So there's a little bit of a bump in the floor right here. I'm not sure why. It's kind of weird. It's like fluffy carpet here, and then it goes down. And there's a little pee stain there, but one of the dogs might have had an accident while she was gone, but. All right, so here's first bathroom. I mean, it's night and day different from the other unit we just saw. This one's kept very nicely. And I'm imagining that the smell I'm smelling is just the one I just showed you. A pea stain right there, but. So this, they've got too much stuff on here for what they're doing, but it looks fine otherwise. Nothing crazy happening. Oops. Okay. And then this is your actual master bedroom, so I'm not sure why they're not using it as such, but either way. Closet. Like it needs to be, I mean, this carpet just needs to be replaced, but it definitely needs to be, if anything, stretched, because you can see I don't know what that is, kitty litter maybe? And then another bathroom. Looks like it needs to be re-caulked up there. big closet. And then you've got patio here. You can see the water. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to figure that light out. So, going this way with it. Let me come out here so you can see this. Ugh. All right, so yeah, you can definitely see everything. So somewhere they do have some window protection there. And there is an assessment going on right now. I forget if this was the unit or the other unit was the one that said that they would pay it off, but either way we can write it in there. Here's another closet. Here's their window, or their window protection. So see that it'll just fit on right there. It looks like they've already reinforced this side. But yeah, that'd be pretty nice. And like they've got termite protection, and they clearly don't care if you put your dog up to the thing, so yeah, looks good. Let me do the front. So here's the front. Nice, another little sitting area, and then she's got a nice little glass door here. And then that's actually the spot that goes to this unit. There you go.